In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Lovable AI compares to Jasper, Copy.ai, and ChatGPT. When navigating the world of artificial intelligence tools, it's crucial to recognize the unique strengths and functionalities each platform offers. Let's start by exploring Lovable AI. Lovable.dev is not your typical writing tool. Instead, it's an AI-powered app builder. This platform stands out by focusing on building robust applications through artificial intelligence designed to help developers and non-developers alike create seamless and efficient applications with ease. It's ideal for those who are looking to simplify the app development process, saving time and enhancing productivity. Shifting gears, let's delve into Jasper AI. Jasper prides itself on being a marketing-first, long-form content expert. It's tailored for those who need to produce comprehensive content, such as blog posts, articles, or reports. Jasper offers a wealth of templates and content ideas, smoothing the process from creation to publication. Because it's designed with marketers in mind, Jasper can significantly boost your content strategy by leveraging AI to generate copy that engages and converts. Now, when we talk about Copy AI, we're discussing a tool that thrives in generating short-form copy swiftly and enjoyably. This is the go-to solution if you're looking to create attractive social media captions, engaging product descriptions, or any snappy ad copy. Copy.ai is equipped to make your short-form content catchy and appealing, with a focus on quickness and creativity, bringing fun and efficiency into your content creation process. Finally, we have ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's GPT-4, known as an all-purpose conversational powerhouse. ChatGPT is versatile and excels in generating dialogue, answering questions, and even assisting with brainstorming sessions. Its conversational ability makes it suitable for a variety of applications, from customer service to personal assistance and beyond. With its broad capabilities, ChatGPT can be a valuable asset for anyone seeking natural language interactions with AI. In summary, each of these AI tools offers distinctive benefits and serves different purposes. Lovable AI is optimal for app development. Jasper AI shines in creating long-form marketing content. Copy.ai stands out in generating quick and creative short-form content. And ChatGPT is the king of conversation and dialogue. Understanding the specific use cases and strengths of each tool is vital in selecting the right one to fit your needs. Whether your focus is on app development, producing marketing content, crafting catchy copy, or facilitating engaging interactions, these AI platforms provide powerful solutions tailored to a wide range of professional and creative requirements.